it is a thunderstorm right now. Yeah. I'm in the car, and I am filming the cloud and hoping I get some lightning on camera. And if I get a really cool lightning bolt on camera, that is literally free.
This flash up there.
Wait, really? I missed it.
It wasn't. I just saw the light, not the bolt.
Yeah. Nah. Did you see the bolt?
Not the bolt, but it was really flashing.
I saw a flash. I didn't see the lightning. Oh, I saw a flash. I saw a flash.
All right. Well.
That's my first. Maybe I'll see the lightning bolt on camera. I don't know. Another flash. I don't know if that was just the lighting being weird. I think that's just the lighting being weird. Which way is the storm cloud?
I think it's right up there.
Yeah, the main storm cloud, because I must get some lighting on the camera. Oh heck yeah!
Yeah, I think Redding's parking lot's actually a good spot.
This is gonna be awesome if I catch one on camera. Alright, we're watching the storm cloud. Let's see if we get anything. It's right that way. It's also a bit over there. Hopefully I don't miss any. Now it is quiet enough that it could just be little lightning bolts flashing in the clouds. Which means that it's building up. And hopefully we'll get a big strike to the ground. Heck yeah! There we go! Oh, this is gonna be so damn loud. Let's wait. There we go. Two direct lightning bolts on camera. Car actually. Damn! That was a good one. Oh, I just missed an awesome bolt. It was out of the frame. Looks like they're still over there. I think it's coming from that edge of the cloud, which is scarily moving closer to us. This is not good. This is definitely not good. Jeez! This is amazing! Oh! Quick! Get the hell inside! It's coming toward us! It's coming toward us! Alright, we gotta get out of here. That is coming scarily close. Oh god, that one was even closer! And this is the part where we decide to get the heck out of there before we get struck by lightning. Anyway, thanks for watching.